O seeker of wisdom, have you ever truly asked yourself, what is metal? You may see it as nothing more than a silent, heavy stone torn from the depths of the earth, shaped, forged, and commanded at will. But metal is far more than matter. It is the earth's frozen pulse, a chronicle of fire, pressure, and endless patience, written over millions of years. A witness born in darkness, carrying within its core the raw memory of creation. Metal is not born, it is endured. Forged in the womb of the planet, where light never reaches, it emerges into the world bearing the concentrated power of time itself. It is water surrendered to fire, silence transformed into strength, chaos disciplined into form. Observe gold. Its radiance is not mere shine. It is a preserved fragment of the first sunrise, a symbol of eternity, purity, and unyielding grace. It does not rust. It does not decay. It defies time with regal serenity. Observe iron, the silent muscle of civilization, the backbone of bridges, engines, and empires. Its greatness lies not only in its hardness, but in its willingness to transform, to serve, to protect, to build worlds. And copper, the unseen singer, the quiet artery through which light flows into our homes. From its veins travels the pulse of modern life, soundless yet essential. Between hammer and flame, metal transcends its raw state, rising from formless mass into sculpture, machine, or legacy. What appears crude on the surface may conceal immeasurable worth, just as we speak of the metal of a human soul. For true value is never skin deep. In its essence, metal mirrors the cycle of existence itself. Born in the depths, refined by fire, cooled by water, shaped by air, destined one day to return to dust, only for the journey to begin anew. A philosophy of transformation, a testament to the unity of the elements. Metal is not inert. It is a living paradox, where hardness meets elegance, where weight meets brilliance, where brutality gives birth to beauty. So when you hold a piece of metal in your hand, remember this. You do not hold a lifeless object. You hold a story millions of years in the making, a relic of the earth's endurance, a whisper of divine design, waiting for the eyes that dare to see beyond the surface into the sanctum of true essence. Until our paths cross again, may your mind glimpse what lies beneath the surface. And never forget, here begins the journey to uncover the essence of the world. With you, Shaimaa El Sayoufi. If this vision moved you, let it live through your support.